You think Google Form is your best friend? Wait until you meet your best friend's best friend, Form Publisher. Fully integrated in the Google environment, Form Publisher is one of Google Form's most popular add-ons. It matches the good looks of a polished document with the usefulness of a Google Form. If Google Form gets answers fast, Form Publisher remodels them into a good-looking and easy-to-use file. This is what Johnny, head of HR, does with his job interviews. He creates a Google Form that any manager can fill while meeting with future recruits. And thanks to Form Publisher, there it is, a nice customized review file that everyone can share and edit. Quite the useful tool for group decision-making. Cindy is an accountant in a travel agency that generates order forms to dozens of clients. She knows the trick: an attractive Google Sheet template with a few formulas on the one hand, an easy-to-use Google Form on the other hand. And Form Publisher will automatically generate and share the order forms with every client. The same goes for Bob. Each time he has to make a Google slide presentation to a new client, he needs to manually replace every iteration of the client's name and logo. What if he left another client's name in it? That would be unprofessional. Well, Bob, just type it once in a Google Form and Form Publisher will make sure you won't make any mistake ever again. So now that you know how to save time and avoid mistakes, why don't you get rid of your old processes and welcome Form Publisher.